Hi guys, I'm back with another video. This video is going to be jewelry. So if you're interested in seeing what I've picked up, keep on watching. It's Jan from Jandle in the City. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome or welcome back. My channel is all about luxury, pre-loved unboxings, as well on occasion some beauty products. If you feel that this is something you might be interested in, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and you'll know when I've uploaded new videos. Before we get started, guys, I want to share with you my bag of the day. It is my Speedy Monogram 25. I just love this little bag, guys. I haven't used it in a very long time. This was one of my very first pieces that I received as a gift from Louis Vuitton. So a few years ago. I like how it has patinaed, not very much, just love it. So I thought I would share that with you guys. So the first item I think I want to share is something I picked up from an Italian designer, Stefano Oro, and it is from Italy. It's a 14 karat gold velvet rope neck chain, and it is in gold. There is the little tag there that tells you all about it. There is the piece itself. And the reason I got this thin one, I got it for layering with other pieces. And this is in a 16-inch, like out of the box, so you guys can have a closer look. Just love this. Just gorgeous little piece. See how it catches the light? 16 inches, so it's going to come down to approximately about here on myself. So that's the first item, guys, that I got. Second item, guys, came in this box. And my love for pearls, guys. This is a 24-inch. These are approximately 10 to 11 size pearls. They are a cultured pearl, all hand knotted with a magnetic clasp for easy on, easy off. You might have seen these in another video that I recently did where I wore them as a choker. I wrapped it around twice. Luster on these ones are really nice, guys. It's important when you're buying pearls. This one, unfortunately, they are not completely round. These are more like a potato pearl. If you want to see me do a video on pearls, just please leave me a comment down below. Just love them, guys. And it also came with this elastic bracelet. Just gorgeous. I love pearls. Just love them, love them. This company I purchase off of quite often. It is Himalayan Gems. There's the pretty packaging. They have been around since 1983. There you are, guys. They are in sterling silver. And these ones, guys, are in citrine. Really love them. Then I did get something else. And these ones, guys, are in the peridot. Green is my favorite color. Just love them. They are a stud. Very large size gemstone. I'm really into the gemstones lately. Just love these guys. Look at the size of them. And they are a fair size. If you wear them up like that. They are a fair size. So the next one came in this box as well. And it is a bracelet, and it's in the citrine. Can you guys see it there? Let me hold the box up. And it is in the citrine, and it goes all the way around with a extender. I can wear them with the earrings in the summertime. So those are the ones I got, guys. Let me just undo it here. So there you go, guys, is what it will look like on in citrine. Stones go all the way around, and it does have the extender on that one. So guys, this is the next item that I did pick up. It is these diamond studs in, I believe, 10 or 14 karat white gold. Just love them. I cannot wait to wear these. These are half a carat. They've got little tiny stones to give the illusion of a larger pair of earrings. Just gorgeous. So I thought I'd share those with you guys. So that's it, guys. It was just a very short video. I do have something else coming, which I'm pretty excited. I cannot wait to receive it. Actually, 2 items. I've got waiting on a watch with diamonds and also a beautiful emerald ring. Stay tuned for that video. So remember, guys, define your style. Don't be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Till next time, guys, stay safe. Bye-bye.